Alright, guys.
I'm reversing in there.
Yeah, that'll work. Honestly, just back up and you'll be good. We are grabbing the engine picker, and then here shortly we will be pulling the drop engine out. So we'll get to doing that. Yeah. So we got the old cherry picker set up here. We're fitting to take off the engine mounts and the bell housing bolts, and after that we will be ripping this bad boy out of here, and then next weekend hopefully we'll be able to take this Ranger down there and get the other one. So let's get into it. All right, so right now we are just getting the rest of the bell housing bolts off, and then we'll move to the engine mounts. We've got these rags here protecting any debris from getting down in there. There's really not much to this other than getting the bell housing bolts off, which, you know, if you already have everything off the engine, it makes it a lot more easy. So next we'll get something set up and we'll pull the engine out. All right, guys, we're under the truck. I've got this one and this one, and then this one. I started getting that one. It's loose now, but I've almost got all the bolts out. That's 3. I got the 3 out on the top, which is 6, which means there's 2 more that I gotta find. There's probably on that way 2 up more, but other than that, we're good. We can move to the engine mounts, and we'll just wring those loose after we set something up to support the weight of the engine. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we have got the engine fully detached. And as you can see, she's coming on out of there. Now I'm gonna have someone come down here. That way I can get a little bit of help while doing this. And then, yeah. So, obviously we've had some difficulties. We'll come back. I don't know if we're gonna get it today, but I'll try. All right, guys, we have gotten very, very close. I think it's just a matter of prying it back.
borrow some?
Alright guys, as you can see, we have finally got the engine out of this bad boy. And that right there is your luxurious V6 4-row hell fucking right. We got ourselves an engine, by goodness. Hell yeah. What do you think, Dyson?
It took some work.
By God.